Hey guys, Nicole Sauce here. Remember when I showed you how to catch wild yeast just a couple days ago? Look at that. This was this full yesterday. I showed it on video last night. It had some fluid on the top, which is a good sign. Now it's filled this whole thing and it's bubbly. This means I can start my sourdough. So today I'm going to start sourdough. And the way I'm going to do it is, see the paper towel sticks to the top a little bit, no biggie. I'm going to put half this in here. Okay, so that's half, maybe a little bit more than half. I'm going to take the flour and I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Yep, that's really flour. Okay. You should always label your stuff. 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add a cup of water. And I'm going to add half a cup of flour back into here to feed the starter. Then we're going to take the sugar, and this sugar is hard to work with, so I'll get this sugar. If I was making the bread for like usual, I would use sorghum or honey, but most people have sugar, so I'm going to put a little bit of sugar in there, about a teaspoon of sugar in there. I'm going to put water in this and stir that up. So I'll get a different spoon. Get a knife. So stir this again to get it going. Okay, so my phone crashed. This is the end of the video. So I added water to this. I added a half cup of flour and I filled it up to just over the halfway mark. What I'm going to do with this is put it in my fridge because I'm not going to cook another loaf of bread for at least a week. But if I thought I was going to cook another loaf in a couple days, I'd leave it out on my windowsill. I'm not torquing this lid all the way down so air can still get out. So, you back it off a little bit. And so that's ready to go. And then I stirred a cup of water, 2 cups of flour, and that starter in here. We're going to start making sourdough bread. The thing about sourdough is I now need to wait for the yeast to get active, and that can take an hour. It can take 2 hours. It can take 12 hours. Don't know. If it gets too late tonight and it hasn't gone fast enough, I'll toss it in the fridge to slow it down and then start again in the morning. But I'm pretty sure this will be a 2 to 4 hour one, and if that happens, I'll upload another video showing you how to make the loaf and how to bake it. Make it a great week.